We will collect the data necessary for calculating beta for Microsoft in this video. We begin by going to Yahoo Finance, is finance.yahoo.com. We put in the ticker symbol for our company, which is MSFT for Microsoft. We select Microsoft. I want to calculate beta. Then we have to make several selections. I'd like to get data from the last 10 years. So I'll put in September 2007. I'll have to go back one more month to August 2007 so I can get 10 years worth of monthly returns. And I want to get monthly data. We want historical prices. Click Apply. Now we have prices of Microsoft going back every month for 10 years. Click on Download Data to get this into an Excel file, and an Excel file opens. We're going to do this 2 more times for the S&P 500 index and for a treasury bond. We're going to put everything together in one place in a moment. Now let's put in the S&P 500. To get the S&P 500, we can go to quote lookup, put the caret, GSPC is the code for the S&P 500 index. The caret denotes an index within Yahoo Finance, and they have a pretty good feature to look it up if you don't know what the code is. We're going to use the same period of time. Fortunately, that's still left here, August 07 to September 17. We want monthly there, so make sure you apply to get the monthly data. So we see it's monthly now. Now we download the data. Right now we have another Excel spreadsheet open for the S&P 500. One more time, we're going to get the treasury bond. To get the treasury bond, I like to use caret TNX. This is going to give a 10-year treasury note rate. We want to again have it monthly going back 10 years. We see the settings are correct. Make sure to apply so that we have it monthly. Now we download this data. Now we have 3 Excel files opened. Since we're only dealing with 3 spreadsheets, we can just do this manually where we put everything together. But we just want to be careful to not lose our information. So I'm going to go into a new spreadsheet. This was the Microsoft. So I'm going to put Microsoft here. So remember that that's the Microsoft price. Notice the one that I want to keep is the adjusted close price. Let me label that Microsoft. And we can get rid of the other prices, but we're going to keep the date so we make sure that we're lining up the dates correctly. So I did Microsoft. Now let's do the S&P 500. So let's just copy all of that. Go back to the new one, paste it. I'm going to get rid of everything except for adjusted close. So remember that this is the S&P 500. Now let's get the treasury bond. Let's get rid of all the other information except for adjusted close, and we'll call this treasury. Now let's make sure that we have everything lined up. All the dates look good, right? Go all the way back, go all the way to the present. We see everything's lined up. So we know that the dates are correct, so we can get rid of the other dates here so that we just have 4 columns. What to do with these columns will be taken care of in the next video.